Hello everyone, welcome to Olympiad Tutorials. A very warm welcome to those students who are watching this video. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss few previous year questions which were asked in patterns. Okay, the questions were asked in the science paper, math paper and computer paper. So let's begin our today's class, and at the end of this class I have also given few practice examples. You can solve them, and if you have any queries you can post your answers and questions both in the comment section. Okay, so let's begin our today's class. So this is the first question. Find the missing number. Here different numbers are given. So what you have to find is the relation between these two numbers, okay, successive numbers. So now let's take this number 44269. 44269. We'll subtract the previous number and we'll find the difference, what difference we get. So 0, 0, 0, 1. 1000 is the difference. We'll just write it down here, 1000. So we'll move on to the next number, that is 45369. Okay, minus 44269. 0, 1, 1. So here we have got 1100. So we saw that the difference is increasing by 100. Okay, means first was 1000, then 1100. If you look at the next numbers, you will see the difference is 1200, and for the next the difference is 1300. We have to find the missing number. So what we will do, we'll just add 1300 in the given number. So 46569 plus 1300 will give 47,869. So here the option B, 47,869 is our correct answer. Okay, now in this number itself, if you just add 1400, because we know the difference is going on increasing by 100. Okay, so if you add this 1400 in this number, then you're going to get a final answer, that is 49,269. So here your answer will be option number B, 47,869. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed, either row wise or column wise. Now here you can see row wise there is no such relation, but if you carefully observe the columns, you can see, just go on multiplying the numbers. Like suppose first column 8 into 3, what you will get? You get 24. If you consider the last column, then you will have 9 into 4 will give you how much? 36. Just if you add 1 to your answer, you are going to get the element of the last column, that is 24 plus 1, 25, which is present here, and 36 plus 1 will give you 37, which is present here. So we got the relation, whatever answer we get by multiplying the number, you have to just add 1 in that. Okay, so here the numbers are 6 into 5 will give you 30. So you have to just add 1 here and you will get 31. Very simple. Yes, option number C, 31 will be your correct answer. Which of the following numbers will complete the given number series? So by careful observation, you can see there is certain difference between the two numbers, consecutive numbers. So suppose you take the second number 2375 and you subtract the first number 2260. So you'll get the difference of 115. Similarly, if you see the second and third number, you have to just see what is the difference between these two numbers. Then easily you'll get the relation between them. So if you go on checking, you will just find if you have to just add 115 with the present number to get the next number. So now just if you add 115 to the number 2490, you'll get your next number, which is the missing number. So let's add it. So the answer is 2605. Option number C, 2605. So we'll just check whether our answer is correct or no. So what answer we have got? 2605. Again, if you just add 115 in that, then we'll see we are getting the last number or no. Yes, we have got 2720, which is the last number. So our option number C is absolutely correct. Very simple question. So children, you can see this question was asked in the science paper of 2020. So here you can see a series is given and you can see the numbers are going on decreasing. This is a descending series. So now we have to find the relation between the two numbers. Okay, successive numbers which are there, we have to just find the relationship between them. So if you take the first number 495 minus 470, you're going to get the difference as 25. Similarly, if you move on to the next two numbers, that is 270 minus 435, you will get the difference as 35. Again, if you move on to the next numbers, that is 435 minus 390, you'll get the difference as 45. Okay, so the difference which you can see is going on increasing by 10. So between the first two numbers we had minus 25. From second to third we have minus 35. From third to fourth you have minus 45. Then similarly for the next number, what you are going to take? Minus 55. And again for the next one you have minus 65. And similarly for the last one you will have minus 75. So now what you have to do, just take the fifth number, that is 335, and if you just subtract 65 from this number, then you are going to get your answer. Okay, just try to solve it. So here you have 270 is the difference. So option number A, that is 270, will be your answer. I will just check whether the last number is correct or no. So if you just subtract 75 from 270, you'll get the answer as 195. So our answer is absolutely correct. That is 270. Option number A. Let's move on to the next question. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row-wise or column-wise. Again, this question was asked in the science paper of 2020. Okay. So here you can see if you take the columns separately, so there is certain relation between the column itself. So suppose you multiply 8 into 9, you'll get 8 9s is 72, and the third number in this column is 5. So plus 5, 72 plus 5 will give you 77. Here we have 77. Similarly, for the next column, let's check. 7 into 7 will give you 49. And the third element you have to add it here. So 6. 49 plus 6 will give you 55. In the similar manner, just you have to calculate the missing number in the last column. So we'll just multiply the first two numbers and add the third one to that. 11 into 9, you'll get 99. So 99 plus 11, you'll get 110. Very simple. So here option number D, 110 is your correct answer. This question was asked in the Math Olympiad of 2020. Which of the following option will complete the given series? So here you have few numbers 18, 36, 72, 144, and you have to find the missing number. So now let's try to solve it. So if you know the 18's table, then automatically you'll just find out that 18 2 is 36. 2 times 18 will give you 36. Similarly, 36 into 2 is equal to 72. 72 into 2 will give you 104. And so what you have to do? 144 into 2 will give you the answer, that is 288. Option number A, 288 is your correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Again, here you have a given table and you have to find a missing number using certain rule. So you have to first of all carefully observe the table, and this question was asked in the math paper of 2020. Okay. So here just you have to try to multiply and check whether here you have a row wise relationship between the numbers. Okay. So now let us take the first row. 3 into 9 will give you 27. Again, if you just multiply 3 to this, will give you 81. So 27 into 3 is 81. Now let's check the second row. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. Similarly, we'll just multiply 3 to it and we'll get the answer. 48 into 3 will give you 144. So we got the relation that you have to just multiply these two numbers and again just multiply it with the extra 3. So now 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So according to the rule, just multiply it again with 3. So you will get 4 3s are 2, 4 3s are 12 and 1 is carry, and 3 5s are 15 and 1 16, 162. So you can see here option number C, 162 will be your correct option. Okay children, are you solving along with me? Yes, each and every time when I am going to solve one question, even you have to try to solve it on your own and then just tally the answer with my answer. Okay. Here you have a figure pattern, and this question was also asked in the Math Olympiad of 2020. Now here you have a dot and an arrow, and you have to carefully observe the picture and then you can figure out what will be your answer. Now here if you consider this position of this dot, it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. You can see it is in the right top column, leftmost column, then it is shifting downwards. So just by observing it, you can find out that this is going to move on here. This will be the position of the dot and the position of the arrow is also going to change. So option number D will be your correct answer. Again, this question is a figure pattern and this was asked in the National Computer Olympiads of 2021. Okay. Again, just by observing this picture, you can find it out what will be your answer. So here your correct option is option number D. This is going to be your correct option. Here two options are having D, but you have to carefully observe that which patterns are used or what slight changes are there in the image, that you have to check properly and then you will get your correct answer. Okay. This question, you have to find the missing number with certain rules. Three numbers are given in each figure. This question was asked in the Computer Olympiads of 2021. So here you can just see, if you take the first image, you have three numbers 96, 42 and 54. So 96 minus 42, if you take the difference, you'll get the answer as 54. So we got the relation that the numbers you have in the second row, you have to just subtract them. 49 minus 37 will give you 12. Then similarly for the last one, you have 84 minus 36. This is going to give you your answer, that is 48. So your answer will be 48. Let's move on to the next question. Here again this question was asked in the Science Olympiad of 2021. So just you have to select which is the missing part, and just by observing these pictures you will see option number D will be your correct answer. Find the missing number in the given number pattern. This question was asked in the math paper of 2021. So you have to just try to solve it. So let's move on to the next question. Find the missing number in the given pattern. Here you have few numbers like 6, 8, 12, a missing number, 26, 36 and again a missing number. So what you have to do here, if you just check the difference between the numbers, you will have the difference here. 6 plus 2, you will get 8. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So here you have to just go on increasing with plus 2. So here we'll have plus 6. For the next number you have plus 8, plus 10, plus 12. Okay. So this will be your series. So 12 plus 6 will give you 18. And here you have 36 plus 12 will give you 48. This is going to be your answer. Option number C, 18 and 48. This is going to be your correct answer. The two missing numbers 18 and 48. This is again a figure pattern for the and it was asked for 2021 math paper. Okay, and just by observing it you'll find the answer, that is the missing part is shown by figure number A. Here in this form you'll get the answer which is matching to figure number A. Okay, very easy question it was asked. This is a very interesting question which was asked in the Math Olympiad of 2021. Here you can see a alphabet series along with a number series, means combination of alphabet and number is given here. So two separate series we are going to get, one for the alphabet and one for the number. So for your convenience, I have written down the alphabets from E to Z here. So we have to just see the position of the alphabets. If you just go on adding plus 4 with the given alphabet, you will get the next alphabet. So after E, if you move on to the fourth alphabet, that is I. So here you have I. So from I, if you move on to the fourth alphabet, that is M. Here you have M. So in the similar manner, if you move on to the fourth alphabet, that is Q. Here you'll get Q. So we have got the answer. Let's check it from Q again. The fourth alphabet is U in this series. So the answer which we got for the alphabet, that is Q. But here again you have two options which are having Q, that is Q18 and Q17. Now what you have to do is you have to find the relation between the numbers. So here you have 5 and 9. So 5 plus 4 will give you 9. 5 plus 4 again it is going to give you 9. So you have got here 9. Again 9 plus 4 will give you 13. 9 plus 4 will give you 13. So what you have to do? Just you have to add 4 with this number. 13 plus 4 you will get 17. So here first alphabet we have got Q and the number is 17. Q17. Option number D. This is your correct option, Q17. Now let's check that is it correct or no. So 17 plus 4 you'll get 21. Yes, that is the next number. So the series which we have got is absolutely correct and our option number D, Q17 is the correct answer. Very simple question, and here you can see a alphabet series. So in the next class we will be starting with the alphabet series. You can attend those video lectures and the concept of the alphabet reasoning will be quite clear, okay, in those lectures. This is again a figure pattern. You have to just compare it which missing part is there. This question was asked in the Math Olympiad of 2021. So here you can see option number D will be the missing part. You can try to solve it, draw it here with a pencil and then you will get the answer, that is D. Now children, these were all the questions which were asked in the previous exams, okay? And in the next two slides, like here, I have given few graphical questions. You can try to solve it on your own and you can tell me your answers in the comment section. So here 4 questions I have given for your solving. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me your questions or your doubts in the comment section. I'll definitely try to address your doubts, okay? So that's all for today's class. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel Olympiad Tutorials for more teaching materials in the Olympiad exams and all. Hope you all are enjoying this video. So thanks for watching students and stay tuned. God bless you. We'll meet again in the next class. Bye bye.